We're asking now how wolves evolved into man's best friend. Scientists originally thought that they were domesticated some 30,000 years ago, becoming the dogs that we know and love today. But a comparison of their DNA has thrown up a whole new theory on when wolves came into contact with humans. Our science correspondent, Pallab Ghosh, has more.
It's a mystery how wolves first came into contact with humans and how they evolved into dogs. But a genetic study has shed new light on how these creatures became man's best friend. One of the most popular theories of how wolves evolved into dogs is that the process began 30,000 years ago, when our ancestors stole wolf cubs and trained them to help them hunt for food. But the new study suggests that the process began much more recently, around 11,000 years ago, when human communities settled down and began to farm. A genetic comparison between canine and wolf DNA has shown that dogs are better able to absorb starch. It's the sort of starch that would have been found in cereals grown by our ancestors. It's why dogs love biscuits to this day.
Come on then.
Wolves would have started to eat from human scraps around settlements, around waste tips and so on. And those that were able to eat starches would have done this more and would have become more associated with humans and perhaps ended up becoming pets.
But how did the early interactions between dogs and humans develop into the bond we see today? Researchers say that that too is in our genes. They say that the DNA of both species changed directly as a consequence of a growing friendship that developed over thousands of years.